Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Trucking Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this really nice 2022 Hino. It's diesel automatic 14.5 GVW. Before we dive off into that walk around though, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time we put new product on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. These particular trucks we would normally wholesale. We have kept some of these trucks back to offer as retail for our customers, being sold as is. We will do a service on the engine. We'll do everything to make it meet DOT inspection. Above and beyond that, it'll be on the customer to pay for anything that they want done extra. As we said, 2022 Hino S4 14.5 GVW truck. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. Even though this is a 22 year model truck, you can look at the inside. It is very well kept, maintained. This truck was maintained by our leasing department throughout the life of the truck and its usage, so we know that the truck has been serviced. We have got a really nice 18-foot aluminum van body on this truck. It's got good rubber all the way around it. This truck does have a 2,000-pound tuck-away gate on it. It's inoperable right now. We can get a quote to see what it'd cost to get it fixed, or if you'd like to cut it off and put a gate of your liking or a step bumper, ICC bumper, we can take a look at those options also. As we said, we've got a really nice 18-foot, 91 tall, 96 wide, good for mill work, furniture, appliances. We got the hardwood Apatong slats, 2 rows of E-track, and the hardwood scuff, and it does go all the way up to the front of the body and across. That's nice. A lot of bodies don't have that. Aluminum roof, LED dome light. And the laminated hardwood floor is in really good shape. As we said, we have got a really nice 2022 Hino S4 14.5 GVW diesel automatic being sold as is. We will put the service on it and we will make it DOT compliant. Anything above and beyond that will be on the customer's ticket. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. Stick with us for a minute. We're going to tilt the cab on this truck, start it up, and give you a little more intimate walk around to adjust the truck. And as always, we do appreciate your time.